Hi everyone, take a look. 50 West 106. And yes, we do have an elevator building here. So that's a nice luxury to have. Guys, this is the view from the front door. We're gonna come in and we're gonna walk right into the living space. And you're gonna see this is a west view, a great view when it's sunny out. Then we're gonna turn and see the kitchen area. We do have a divider here to sort of break up the space. We have a closer look at the kitchen here. Obviously all of the appliances and cabinetry and stuff like that can be replaced to the owner's liking. We now have the hallway to the bedroom and bathroom. Here is the bathroom here. Then we walk into the bedroom, which has tremendous light, has the west view right here, also with the south view here, and closet. Remember, this building has elevator, laundry in the basement, and a part-time doorman. Let me know if you have any questions.